Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you these Panda pen holders. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up. We're going to try it out and I'll show you what it looks like. This package has two of these super cute Panda magnetic pen holders. I love the bright color, shape, and design that adds a pop of style to my writing utensils. Plus the magnet on the back of this super cute Panda is on the whole back of the pen holder, giving us secure hold while we are putting this onto a metal surface. Keep in mind that it only works with metal surfaces and it won't work with glass boards or plastic boards. These pen holders are made of high quality ABS material with a magnetic back, and it has a cup with a great size to be able to hold all kinds of different things like pens, pencils, dry erase markers, erasers, rulers, scissors, or other office, home, and school supplies. You can put this on a whiteboard, you can put it on any metal surfaces, or even on a refrigerator or locker or other metal surfaces. If you are in the market for a super cute, adorable pen holder, this is definitely worth looking into.